In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Yahoo Mail to a flash drive or USB drive. Easy steps. This is a simple, reliable way to keep important messages available offline, back them up, or take them with you to another computer. We'll use the built-in print to PDF option, so you don't need any special software. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Locate the email or emails you want to keep. You can click an individual message to open it, or select messages from your inbox if you plan to save them one at a time. Opening the message first helps you confirm the content looks right before saving. Next, open the print window. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. You can also choose the print option from your browser menu or from the message options inside Yahoo Mail. When the print preview appears, look for the destination or printer setting and change it to Save as PDF. This tells your computer to create a digital PDF file instead of sending anything to a physical printer. Take a moment to review the preview. Make sure the pages are set to all, the layout is correct, and the scale or margins aren't cutting off the edges. If your message includes images, logos, or a long thread, scroll through to confirm everything you want is included. Remember, print to PDF captures the message as it appears. Some attachments might not be embedded in the PDF preview, so check the result afterward if that's important for you. When you're ready, choose where to save. In the Save dialog, navigate to your connected USB flash drive. On Windows, it often appears with a drive letter, like E or F. On a Mac, you'll see it under Locations by the name of the drive. It can help to create a folder on the drive called Email Backups or something similar, and give the file a clear name, like the sender and date, so it's easy to find later. Click Save, and let your computer create the PDF directly onto the flash drive. If you have multiple emails, repeat the same process for each one. When the saving finishes, you can open the drive and double-click the PDF to confirm it looks good. From now on, those messages are ready to access offline from your USB drive anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.